Brad Williams, XL Prime. Split text string at specific character. We're going to split this string here in B5 before and after the underscore. How do we do that? Well, it's pretty simple. If we look at the left, we use left 5 find B5 minus 1. Why are we going minus 1 in this case? Because we want all of the information for the semicolon. We need to get rid of the semicolon. So remember, the find function is going to give us 4, and then it will remove everything after. Capture this, find, B4, copy, escape, paste, equals. It's going to give us 4 characters starting at, we don't have to put a starting number because we're starting from the left. Going from the right, we're going to go B5 right, B5 len, B5 minus find. What are we going to do? We're trying to find a length. So we go right, B5 will be the entire string, the length of B5. We're looking at the total length. We're going to remove the underscore, and that'll give us the starting point, and everything counting right to left. We'll remove everything after len B5 minus find semicolon B5. Total number here will be, looks like what, 5, 9. The length here is 4. The other length will be 5. This formula here will go 9 minus 5 and produce 4 to give us 474. The same here. It will just count the total numbers, end up with 7 minus 5. And the same here, it looks like we have 7 characters. So we'll go 7 minus 4. Why are we at 4? Because we have 9999 semicolon. And we have to get rid of that semicolon to show up with 999. Let's say we want the first word in a string. We have the string, the blue. We want the first string equals left B5 find B5 minus 1. Remember, we're starting from the left. We're going to have a count, and we're going to remove everything at the space. And the space will be, what is that space? It should be 4. We'll go find B5 minus 1, copy, escape, paste, equals, there's 3. What does that mean? We're going to remove, starting at left in B5, remove everything after the third character. If we go B6, we have 7. Why? Snowing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the space. We need to back up 1 because we're from the space backwards. We have a starting number of 7, and we want to be able to remove the space. But if we go 0, now we have 8. Well, let's just go up here. Let's go 0, and the space bar should be in there. There should be a space bar there. Why don't we go plus 1, plus 1, and now you can see this number will change to 10. If we go to plus 1, all right, then there's 9. And if we count snowing blizzard, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the B, everything is removed. Snowing B. You go to minus 0, it's snowing. Here's a case where I want to point out we have an error. We have left B6. This particular function won't work with a single word. Well, it does. If we go down below, include an if error message, end it with, if an error shows up and it's a 1-word text, it will default to rain as opposed to this pound value error. We'll get into the if error message. That's a way to remedy the error issues. You could put if error in here, anywhere. You can include it up here. It won't change anything, but note that you want to put whatever this verbiage is at the end. You see here, we have rain, and the way it works, if there's an error within this expression, default to rain. Otherwise, go ahead and complete the function. And lastly, extract the substring. If we want to pull out just specific text or specific characters, we can do that. We're going to use the mid function. If you remember the mid function, what we're going to do, we can extract from any part of a text string. And here we can extract from the beginning, the middle, or the third word, or the last word. It's just a matter of counting the characters and then setting up the function. If you recall, here's the structure for the mid. We start with the text, which is C5. We have a starting number, which here would be 1. We have second argument, which is number of characters, which would be E5 minus D5. Saying, well, E5 minus D5, 3 minus 1. We need 2. We add back 1. Kind of confusing. You want to just practice this so you get the hang of it. You can see here, first we have to count all of the text. You do it manually, or you can len function to do it, but it's probably quicker just to count this out. You know you want just the last 4 letters. That would be 22, and that's where we're starting and we're stopping. And we always add back 1. That's a quick overview of some advanced text formulas. We will dig a little deeper. Well, we'll dig a lot deeper into this. I will give you more than enough examples and probably some better explanations as we move along. Brad Williams, XL Prime.